scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Momentum change here comes from impulse, so watch this quick graph question and turn the force time picture into the answer fast and clean. We want the magnitude of the change in momentum between 1.58 seconds and 1.66 seconds, and that means finding the impulse over that interval, because impulse equals change in momentum. From the graph, the force is only non-zero during the triangular pulse from 1.60 to 1.64 seconds, so the needed impulse is just the area of that triangle. Use triangle area. 1/2 times the base, 1.64 minus 1.60, times the height, 12, which gives 0.24 kilogram meters per second. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Trap, signs, and rushing can mess you up. Rule, trust the given graph and check each step carefully.